In this video, I'll show you how to improve Gamma AI presentations in 2026. If your Gamma AI presentation looks basic or unprofessional, there are several simple ways to make it better. First, start with a clear and specific prompt. Before generating your presentation, tell Gamma exactly what your topic is, who the audience is, and what you want the presentation to achieve. A more detailed prompt can help Gamma create more relevant content. Next, review the generated content carefully. AI-generated presentations may include unnecessary information, so remove anything that doesn't add value. Keep each section focused and easy to understand. You should also improve your presentation structure. Organize your content with a clear introduction, useful main sections, and a strong conclusion. Make sure each section connects naturally to the next. Images can also make your presentation more engaging. Add high-quality visuals that support your topic instead of using random images. Relevant visuals can help your audience understand the information faster. Another important step is keeping your text concise. Avoid filling your slides with long paragraphs. Use short sentences, clear headings, and easy-to-read sections whenever possible. You can also customize the design and layout to match your presentation style. Choose a consistent visual style and make sure your text, images, and other elements are properly arranged.